Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off and disconnect the AirPods Pro, then remove the silicone tips to expose the mesh. Use a soft brush and a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab to loosen visible debris. This tackles the most common cause of squeaks. You do this because trapped earwax or lint changes airflow and causes friction against the mesh. Cleaning restores the seal and diaphragm motion. Once done, let parts air dry for 1 to 2 minutes before continuing. Now perform the detailed cleaning. With a dry, soft brush, sweep the speaker and microphone meshes in small circular strokes to dislodge grime. Never poke metal meshes. Next, very lightly dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl and roll it around the mesh edges to remove residue. The goal is surface cleaning, not saturation. Replace or thoroughly inspect silicone tips because damaged tips change pressure and create squeaks. Make sure to recheck the fit. A proper seal prevents air gap noise and restores normal sound behavior. Finish by snapping the silicone tips back on firmly, then reconnect the AirPods Pro and play a mix of tones at low volume to confirm the squeak is gone. This isolates mechanical versus software issues. If you still hear noise, swap to another tip size to adjust the seal. Next, reset the AirPods Pro to rule out firmware quirks. If problems persist after these steps, check for physical damage or loose components. You should contact Apple support for a hardware inspection, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.